Hello, not going to keep you long today. Nice bit of cheese on toast with a little tiny twist. This is my base model. You can add other stuff if you want. Right, we've got a bowl of cheddar cheese. I'm using a nice sharp cheddar, a little bit of onion and a nice knob of butter. Now you can really adjust the amounts of all of this, entirely up to you. I'm going to drop in some nice hot pepper sauce. This is quite a kind of harsh one, you know, it's pretty heavy this one, but I love it. Go for something a little bit more kind of gentle if you want. Plenty of black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt because of the cheese and everything. Maybe a teaspoon of ketchup in there, just straight tomato ketchup. And then in I go, got my glove on, I'm just going to give that a little mix up. Squeeze it in between my fingers and stuff like that. And then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to get some toasted bread. I've got 4 slices here. And we're going to place it on, as thick or as thin as you like. We're going to pop it under the grill, job done. Now, like I say, this is my base model, but I sometimes add other things. You can add some kind of peppers in there, some ham, some salami, whatever you like. It's really, really delicious. Play around with it. Hello, how you doing? Look, cheese on toast with beans, or also known as cheese beanos, where I come from. So really simple, lovely little snack. Here we go. So in a pan, I've got a little bit of oil. You can use any oil you want. We're going to drop in about a cup of onion. I've sliced mine, but you can cut it small if you want. Tablespoon of garlic. Once that's kind of browned after a couple of minutes, here we go. 1 cup of fresh tomatoes. Salt, black pepper, and if you want you can add a little spice, maybe some cumin or something like that. I'm adding a teaspoon of chili powder in my one, give it a little kick. And then we want to cook these tomatoes until they kind of break down, so probably on this above medium heat, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. 1 regular sized can I've got there, that's 400 ml of baked beans. In they go. With about half a cup of cheese. You can use any cheese you want, cheddar, mozzarella. I've got a little bit of cheddar cheese there, mild cheddar. Give that a stir, cook that for about 3 minutes. They'll become really creamy. All good. Look at that, delicious. Okay, so a few bits of toast in the toaster. I like to toast mine first. 4 slices in my case. And then really simply all we're going to do is we're going to put the beans on the toast. We're going to top it with cheese. We're going to pop it under the grill for a few minutes. Delicious. Lovely, easy snack food. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? Look, today you're not going to keep it long, just a nice little snacky kind of toast thing. So we're going to use anchovies or boccherones, which are slightly different, but you can use either one. Mixing bowl, 1 cup of tomatoes cut fairly small, about a 1/4 cup of green onions or scallions, bell pepper, I like that in there, I'm using yellow, again tiny amounts and cut really small. There's the boccherones I'm using, or anchovies, nice and salty, about a 1/4 cup. By the way, you can adjust the amounts of all of this, can't you? A little bit of parsley in the mix. Then I like to add in there, chopped again really small, some black olives. I'm using Kalamata, love those ones. Olive oil. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this today, but I am going to add some black pepper. Now you can adjust the amounts of this and add some other little bits in there that you fancy, really. Very, very simple. Mix this around. Then what we're going to do is get that on some toast. Off you go. Delicious stuff. Really, really simple and delicious. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? Look, not going to keep you long today. Nice, quick, easy toasted sandwich. So we've got chicken and cheese. Very, very easy. So 1 cup of cooked chicken, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, a little bit of onion, I've sliced mine, a little bit of cilantro, and then about a teaspoon each of salt, pepper and chili powder. Nothing to it, in a bowl, give it a little mix, and then we're going to get some bread ready. Delicious stuff. So I'm using 4 slices of white bread. You can use a different bread if you want, of course. What we're going to do is we're going to butter the sides of bread, and then we're going to face the butter down to put the filling onto that. So you want the butter on the outside. I use a brush. I actually melt my butter and then I just brush it on so you get all the corners really nicely. Very simply, once you've filled it up, I mean as much or as little as you want, pop it into a grill. I've got one of these kind of George Foreman things. It's not actually a George Foreman, but that sort of thing. Sandwich press, off it goes. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.